Good morning students, class 12th, determinants. Today we will do the NCERT exercise 4.2, page number 119. Question number first, prove that determinant first row xa x plus a, second row yb y plus b, third row z plus c is equals to 0. So whenever we have to prove any given determinant, then first of all we have to see what we have to prove. In the right hand side the result is 0, and in the properties of determinant we learn that if any row or column of a given determinant is expressed as the sum of two elements, then such determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinant with respect to that row or column in which the sum of elements are expressed. So it can be written as first, because third column is expressed as the sum of two elements, so we can express this determinant as sum of two determinant. So first determinant will be x ax y by z c z plus of first two column will be as it is, so x y z a b c, and third column will be a b c, so this is a b c. Now see, this determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinant, and now see what is the value of this determinant and this determinant. If we observe keenly these two determinant, then in the first determinant the first column and the third column are identical. Similarly, in the second determinant column 2 and column 3 are identical. And by the property, if any two row or column of a given determinant are identical, then such a determinant's numerical value will be 0. So C1 and C3 are identical, so the determinant of this determinant will be equals to 0, plus in the second determinant column second and third are identical, so its value will be also 0, so resultant will be equals to 0. So this is the question number first, in which two property we used. First, if any row or column is expressed as the sum of two elements, then such determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinant. And in any given determinant, if any two row or column are identical, then such determinant will be equals to 0. So this is the question number first. Now question number second. Prove that the determinant a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, and b minus c is equals to 0. This we have to prove. So to prove this determinant, first of all we will apply R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is the basic elementary operation. Row first can be expressed as the sum of first row, second row and third row. So applying this, determinant will be equals to a minus b plus of b minus c plus of c minus a. So a minus b plus of b minus c plus of c minus a. Then this will be b minus c plus c minus a plus of a minus b. Then this will be c minus a plus of a minus b plus of b minus c. Second row as it is, that is b minus c, c minus a minus b. Then third row c minus a minus b, and this will be b minus c. So this is the determinant after applying R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now see the first element of first row, A minus B plus B minus C plus C. Similarly, this plus B minus C plus C minus A plus A, C minus A plus B minus B plus C. So the resultant determinant first row will be 0, 0, 0. Now second row, B minus C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B and B minus C. Now if any one row or column of a given determinant is 0, then its numerical value will be 0. So here first row all the elements are 0. So if we expand with respect to first row, then its value will be 0. So we can write its determinant value will be equals to 0. Pause the video and note down. Question number 3. Prove that determinant 2, 7, 65, 3, 8, 75, 5, 9, 86 is equals to 0. So इस डिटर्मिनेंट को अगर हम keenly ऑब्जर्व करें, first column is 2, 3, 5, second column is 7, 8, 9 and third column is 65, 75 and 86. So if we multiply the second column by 9, that is 9 7 ja 63 plus 2, so it can be written as 9 into 7 plus 2. It can be read 75 can be written as 8 into 9 plus 3, and then this can be written as 9 into 9 plus 5. So the third column can be expressed as first column as it is, second column is also as it is, and third column can be expressed as 7 into 9 plus 2, 8 into 9 plus of 3 and 8 into 9 plus of 9 into 9 plus of 5. See, 9 7 ja 63 plus 2, this is your 65, 8 into 9 72 plus 3, this is 75, 9 into 9 81 plus 5, that is 86. Now if any row or column of a given determinant is expressed as the sum of two elements, then such determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinants. So it can be written as determinant 2, 3, 5 as it is, 7, 8, 9, and this will be 7 into 9, 8 into 9, 9 into 9 and plus again 2, 3, 5, and this will be 7, 8, 9. So first column and second column as it is, and third column will be 2, 3, 5. So this is 2, 3, 5. Now in second determinant, the first column and third column is identical, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. So its numerical value will be equals to 0, and in the first determinant, from last column we can take common as 9. So it can be expressed as determinant is equals to 9 into 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Then this will be 7, 8, 9 plus of 0. Again see, if we take 9 as column from column third, then in remaining determinants, the column first and column third are identical, so its value will be also equals to 0, implies that determinant will be equals to 9 into 0 plus 0, so resulted determinant will be equals to 0. So this is very important question. Please pause the video and note down. Now question number 4. Determinant, prove that 1 BC CA AB A into B plus C B into C plus A and C into A plus B is equals to 0. So in the given determinant, right hand side we have to prove the determinant equals to 0, and in any given determinant if one row or one column is as the element of 1, then by making any two element as 0, applying elementary operation, we can expand with respect to the given element. So first of all we will write this determinant as 1 1 1 BC CA AB, and we will multiply inside. So AB plus AC, BC plus AB and AC plus BC. Now applying, देखिए AB plus BC plus CA, applying C3 tends to C3 plus C2. अगर मैं कॉलम थर्ड एंड सेकंड को कॉलम थर्ड की जगह ऐड कर दूं, then determinant will be 1 1 1, this will be BC CA AB and it will be equals to, देखो AB plus BC plus CA, so AB plus BC plus CA, here AB plus BC plus CA, so it will be equals to AB plus BC plus CA, and here also AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Now in this determinant, the column third, all the element are same, so we can take common as AB plus BC plus CA. So on taking as common AB plus BC plus CA, first column will be as it is 1 1, second column will be BC CA AB and third column will be 1 1. Now see, in this determinant the column first and column third are identical, so the determinants of this will be equals to 0. So AB plus BC plus CA into 0 will be equals to 0, that is equals to right hand side. So in this way we can prove the given determinant equals to 0. Pause the video and note down. Question number 5th, prove that determinant B plus C, C plus A plus B, Q plus R, R plus P, P plus Q, Y plus Z, Z plus X, X plus Y is equals to twice of determinant ABC, PQR and XYZ. This is the question number 5th. So what we have to do, first of all, the first determinant, every element is expressed as the sum of two elements, and in right hand side we have to prove that this determinant will be equals to twice of ABC, PQR and XYZ. Means we have to express every element as the single element. So first of all, what we will do, apply R1 tends to R1 minus R2. R1 tends to R1 minus R2. So determinant will be equals to, क्या कर रहे हैं, R1 में से R2 को घटा रहे हैं, तो B plus C minus C minus A. So it will be equals to B minus A. Here Q plus R minus P. So it will be Q minus P. And here Y plus Z minus X. So Y minus X. Second row will be as it is, that is C plus A, R plus P, and Z plus X, then A plus B, P plus Q, and X plus Y. Now apply R1 tends to C, R1 plus R3, R1 tends to R1 plus R3. अगर मैं रो फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड को अगर ऐड करूं कहां पर, रो फर्स्ट में, then B minus A plus of A plus of B. So it will be equals to, determinant equals to B minus A plus of B, means minus A plus A will be cancel out. So it will be 2B. Q minus P plus P minus plus of Q. So minus P plus P will be cancel out. So it will be equals to 2Q. And then Y minus X plus of X plus of Y. So minus X plus X will be cancel out. Y plus Y, it will be equals to 2Y. And second row is as it is C plus A, R plus P, then Z plus X, it will be equals to A plus B, it will be equals to P plus Q, and it will be equals to X plus Y. Now we can take 2 as common from row first. So please pause the video and note down. So next will be equals to, on taking 2 as common from first row, the determinant will be equals to twice into, first row will be B, Q and Y, and second row as it is C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, and A plus B, P plus Q, and X plus Y. Now we can do one thing. R3 tends to R3 minus of R1. So what will be equals to, determinant twice of first row will be as it is BQY, and second will be C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, and R3 में से R1 को सबसेट कर रहा हूं. So A plus B minus of B, it will be equals to A. P plus Q minus Q, it will be equals to P. And this, then next will be Z plus X minus, so X plus Y minus Y, that will be equals to X. So this is AP X. So now next अब हमें क्या लाना है, सेकेंड रो में हमें सेकेंड रो में लाना हमें CRZ. सो अब क्या करेंगे हम, R2 में से अगर मैं R3 सबसेट कर देता हूं. नाउ अप्लाइंग R2 टेंड्स टू R2 माइनस R3, then it will be equals to, determinant of twice as it is B, Q, Y is your as it is, third row A, P, X is as it is. क्या कर रहे हैं, R2 में से R3 को सबसेट करना है, तो C plus A minus A, it will be equals to C, R plus P minus P, it will be equals to R, Z plus X minus X, that will be Z. So this is the result which we have to prove, twice of BQY, CRZ, APX. So C, AP, first देखिए it is what we have to prove. We have to prove that twice of determinant APX, BQY and CRZ. So CRZ means अपने को चाहिए this second row should be equals to third and this B, this is B, QY should be second row. So now what we have to do to bring this, we will interchange the second row by third row and then second by first. So first we will apply now R3 interchange by R2. So first twice as it is, फर्स्ट रो हमने एज इट इज लिखा, BQY एज इट इज है, और सेकेंड रो को लिख रहा हूं मैं थर्ड रो की जगह और थर्ड रो को लिख रहा हूं सेकेंड रो की जगह, तो बाहर माइनस साइन आ जाएगा बिकॉज एनी रो और कॉलम इज इंटरचेंज, देन साइन विल बी चेंज. सो सेकेंड रो विल बी APX एंड थर्ड रो विल बी CRZ. नाउ सी, third row is your clear, and now if we change first row and second row, then it will be equals to, so now applying R1 interchange by R2. so again -2 बाहर था, एक और माइनस आएगा, so it will be equals to first row will be at the place of second and second will be at the place of first. So it will be APX and second row will be BQY and third row CRZ. So here minus or -2, it will be plus, and hence prove. So this is the right hand side. So please pause the video and note down.